Hi everybody, this is Logan from TentCraft here to walk you through our two styles of custom umbrellas. Our 9-foot option and our more traditional style of umbrella. First to point out, the valances on the edge, you can get it with or without the valances. You get full edge-to-edge printing along the roof. Also with this option, you can print double-sided on the underside. As I said, it's the traditional or more traditional style of umbrella with the crank feature to go up and down, as well as the tilt function on this option. Here's the 7.5-foot option. Same as the 9, we have the valances or without, as well as the capabilities for double-side printing on the underside. Same crank style, slightly different on this model. The tilt function is a button up here, can go back or away from you, and then straight up and down. Now we're gonna walk through our square Monarch umbrellas. Come in two options, the 7.5 and the 9-foot. Just like the Monarch frame line these are built off of, they come in silver and anodized black. They have the nice red push buttons to indicate and keep your fingers safe, as well as that push button on the back side for the desired height or completely up. Like I said, these are built off of the Monarch frame line. They have the lifetime frame warranty, as well as the full metal construction to put up with just about anything you can throw at it. If you want to learn more, reach out to us at TentCraft.com.